Hello guys, good afternoon. How are you? Fine. Very good. Very good. Okay. Just all are you pass out? 12 pass out, right? Right. And going to become a, क्या बोलो, क्या बनना चाहते हो? ओके, डिफेंस ऑफिसर. राइट. तो आज काफी एक इंटरेस्टिंग, इंपॉर्टेंट एंड एंड एनर्जेटिक टॉपिक तुम्हें बताऊंगा. देखो तुम लोग के, आप लोग जो तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आप लोग जो तैयारी कर रहे हो एनडीए का, कुछ तो ठीक है. आप सीनियर दिख रहे हैं. ओके, कोई बात नहीं. तो आपका आगे उद्देश्य ठीक है, अभी करो. आगे सीडीएस भी देख लेना. ठीक है. ओके, नाउ गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ए इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. इंडियन पॉलिटी. इंडियन पॉलिटी, ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर जीएस. एंड फ्रॉम द इंडियन पॉलिटी, about the 10 questions asking in the NDA paper, and about the 5 to 6 question asking from the Indian history. First, now going to discuss about the Indian polity, right? And each questions to 4 marks, 10 questions, yani 10 into 4 and 40 marks. Okay, no issue. I know you all are you the science students. Okay, Indian polity, interesting, energetic, and scoring subjects, right? Indian polity, first know what is polity. First know what is polity. What do you mean word of the polity? Polity. Polity, under the polity, we teach constitution. Constitution. Polity means governance. Governance. Shasan. Okay, to the point. We are not going to become a historian and politicians. Only result oriented. We need only result oriented, right? Only result oriented. Polity. Polity, constitution. So what is constitution? The constitution is a basic laws. Constitution is a guidelines to state government, guideline to government states. Okay, and now first we know about how many organs of the government. Already mentioned in the class 6 NCERT. Only mention the class 6 NCERT. How many organs of government? Indian government. Anybody else? Tell me, how many organs of the government? How many organs of the government? There are 3 organs of the government. There are 3 organs of the government. First, legislature. Second, executive. Third, judiciary, right? A legislature, executive and judiciary, there are three organs of the government, right? Okay, understand? Any doubt? Clear? Clear? Clear beta? Okay. Legislature. Now first question rise here. Who what is called legislature? Who is legislature? While legislature is a law making bodies, and legislature is a consisting of two: first parliament and second state legislature council, state legislature council. Okay, parliament, the parliament is a bicameral, Raj Sabha and Lok Sabha. Its member is called MP, member of parliament, member of parliament, in Hindi Sansad. You heard? Okay, MP, yes, yes. The parliament is a bicameral, the parliament is a legislature, and in the provinces state legislature council is also the legislating body, right? Is the also the two parts bicameral, Vidhan Sabha legislative assembly, and Vidhan Parishad legislative council. You know Vidhan Sabha is a member called generally MLA, member of legislative assembly, and this member is called MLC. MLC existed only the 6 states: Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Maharashtra. Only 6 states existed at the present time. Vidhan Parishad. Remaining state only Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Sabha existed in all the states, right? And these are the law making bodies. Second, executive करने वाले, executive body means implementation to the laws, is a law making body, and executive implementation to the laws, right? Okay, and there are two type of the executive. Yes, एक permanent executive and second political executive. The political executive is consisting of president, right? Governor of state, right? PM, CM, ministers, all are the political executive. And permanent executive, civil servant, yani you can say bureaucrats in simply way. For example, IS, IPS, both are executive body, but little differences are permanent and political executive. The political executive, they are the president, governor, PM, CM and the ministers. Okay, why call the political executive? Okay, because president, governor, PM, CM and ministers से क्या होता है, इन सभी का टाइम फिक्स है, टेन्योर ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड, 5 years, जानते हो पर 5 years होता है. Okay, okay, executive is also part of the legislature, no doubt. Executive is also part of the executive is also part of the legislature, right? But functions are different. Okay, क्योंकि इसके अब देखते रहे कोई लॉ बनाया जाता है, वोटिंग होती है, इसमें सभी सुनते होंगे आप लोग, सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के सपोर्ट की जरूरत है, 2/3 मेजोरिटी चाहिए, इतना मेजोरिटी होगा तब ये लॉ इनेक्ट होगा, पास होगा. तो कौन है? लेजिस्लेचर्स. लेकिन उस जो लॉ इनेक्ट हुआ, पास हुआ, प्रेसिडेंट के सिग्नेचर, आफ्टर द सिग्नेचर प्रेसिडेंट। तो एग्जीक्यूट कौन करते हैं उसको? हु वर इज कॉल्ड एग्जीक्यूटिव? प्राइम मिनिस्टर, काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स, कैबिनेट। ओके, राइट, अंडरस्टैंड? एनी डाउट? क्लियर? 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 ओके। एंड थर्ड इज कॉल्ड जुडिशियरी। जुडिशियरी कोर्ट्स, protection to the laws, making body, executive body, and protection to the laws is consisting of Supreme Court, High Courts, and district courts. All are the judiciary. In our country, legislature, executive, and judiciary all were under the guidelines, constitutions, under the guideline constitutions. One questions, tell me answer. In Indian polity system, who is the supreme? In Indian political system, who is the supreme? Constitution. Constitution is a guidelines. Already I say that is a guidelines to a state, and under the state they are legislature, executive, and judiciary. Clear? Next, constitution. There are two types of the constitution, two forms: written forms and unwritten forms. What are basic differences between written and unwritten? Differences between written and unwritten. Why called the unwritten constitutions? Because those constitutions based on old custom, built on old customs. Okay, right? Based on traditionals, based on court decisions. For example, United Kingdom. For example, United Kingdom is the most important examples of the unwritten constitutions. Second, UAE is also most important examples of the unwritten. Next question, whose constitution is called written? For example, India and USA is a written constitution. Why called the written? Those constitutions framed by institutions, and they have certain aim, is called written constitution. For example, India. For example, USA. Okay, done, understand? And one questions raise here. First, who framed Indian Constitution? Tell me about the answer. Anybody else? Anybody else? Tell me about the answer. Who framed the Indian constitutions? Who framed the Indian constitution? No, B.R. Ambedkar. No, 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 no. Framed by institutions, not a individuals. Not individuals. Right? Answer? Answer? Constituent Assembly. Clear? Who make the Indian Constitution? Constituent Assembly. Second question rise here. Certain aim. What are the aim of the Indian Constitution? क्या कहते हैं? We the people of India. Already mentioned in the NCERT books. First page. Right? With the people of India. Why with the people of India? Because all the actual power are vested in peoples. And second question right here. The nature of the Indian Constitution. Nature. The nature. Flexible and rigid. Both. We are going to study about the written constitution, Indian Constitution. Clear? Clear? Repeat one time. How many organs of state government? Clear. 3. Legislature, executive, judiciary. Legislature. What are the function of the legislature? Law making body. Executive, execute, judiciary, court. Right? Second question. What are the example of the unwritten constitution? UK, UAE. Why unwritten constitution? Because based on the old customs, based on traditionals, based on the court decision. Clear? And the written, for example, India and USA. Why the written? Called written? Because they are framed by institutions and have the certain aims. For example, first question already asked. Who framed the Indian Constitution? Constituent Assembly. Nature of the Indian Constitution? Flexible, rigid, both. Aim of the Indian Constitution? With the people of India. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बन गया. Done? Is a basic point. Clear? Next. Republic. What is republic? What is democracy? Okay? आज बस छोड़ दो इतना ही. Okay, thanks. Next classes. Okay, ठीक है. Thank you.